eat the other half watermelon. I'm going to discard my pullover and my USB mini fan. The pullover was new when starting from China, and it will not be hot anymore, so I don't need the fan. They are cheap in China. The pullover costs $2 and the mini fan costs $1. This is a restaurant and hotel. It's raining. I'm hiding in a bus stop. Eat beef pie with potatoes. This dish is popular in canteens in Russia. Eat a cake roll. The rain was over. Continue going. Here's a village. Have a fish can with bread. It's raining again. The rain stopped, and the bridge tunnels are full of water. I set up my camp in a town.